Hi everyone, welcome to another video. I am Serkan here. Today we are in Kaşıstı region for showing you a beautiful, brand new, with sea view and apartment within complex. Let's talk about this complex. This project consists of 2 blocks with 10 floors on a 3,000 square meters land size in the total, which is the containing 3 apartments on each floor. Now we are on in front of the buildings. Let's begin from the garden of project. This is our garden. We have sitting area in here, 1, 2 sitting area, and you have flowers, a little walking paths is available in here. Let's keep continue from the garden. There are staircase for go the in front of the buildings. There is a large area in front of the buildings, parking lot. What we have as a spec, we have a spec security in here, parking lot for 30 or 40 car, very large, and you have a playground in here, very nice. When you sit this sitting area, your children can play in this here. You can check, you can control from there. Every time you can see day. Let's keep continue for seeing inside of the apartment. Here is main entrance of these buildings. You have a code system in here. Let's try it. If you want to enter inside of the building, you must log in your password. As we reach inside of the building, there is a large area in here, and we have an elevator. In the ceiling, you have a good image. Spot lamp are available. As we said before, we have 1 elevator in this building. Now, let's go to see inside of the apartment. Hello again. Now we are inside of our apartment. As we enter inside of the apartment, on the left side we have kitchen and living room. On the right side we have bedrooms and bathroom WC. Let's begin from here. I want to mention from the door, this is sitting room. In Turkey this is classical, everybody uses this, and you have intercom in here. You can control, you can see who can do from the outside. Let's keep continuing from the kitchen. This is our kitchen, 15 square meters into total. As you can see, white color selected, 4 countertop, black colors selected. These are looking very nice. In here you can put your dinner table on this section. This part for your cooker, this one for your oven, This part for dishwasher. To here you can put your refrigerator. Let's keep continue from the balcony, from the kitchen to balcony. You have two doors for your balcony. You can exit from the kitchen and living room to balcony. As we reach to balcony, we have very nice, very beautiful sea view and nature view. Really, the nature is looking very nice from this balcony, and you can see your sitting room and playground. When your children play in the garden, you can see from this balcony. Let's keep continue for living room. This is living room. The square meters approximately 25 or 30 square meters in the total. Very spacious. As you can see, the wall is very clean and white color selected for walls, and you have PVC in here, two PVC would look PVC. From your living room, same, you have sea view. Very nice sea view, very nice nature view. Let's keep continue from the living room to bedrooms. We have a bedroom in here. If you prefer, you can use about this bedroom, reading room, or for your kids. We have another bedroom. This bedroom has got balcony, approximately 10 square meters in the total. You have nature view from this balcony. This balcony is looking another project. If you want, you can cover with glass to this balcony. Let's keep continue from this bedroom to master room. Here is master room. The master room is normal size, and you have a PVC. It is same. It's picking from the ground, go to ceiling. We have in here a dining room and bathroom. This is dining room. Now we are going bedroom. We have in here, as you can see, shower cabin, WC, and sink are available in your bathroom. Let's keep continue from the master room to bathroom, common bathroom. This bathroom is large. 4 walls, brown ceramic selected, and you have shower cabin in here. This one is looking very nice. You have in here cabinet, mirror, LED storage area, and heater. After the bathroom, we came for WC. This is classical WC in here. Let's talk about the feature of the apartment. This apartment is 150 square meters in the total gross area, 3 bedroom, 2 bedroom, one living room and one kitchen. Really very good, very beautiful. You have sea view, nature view, and let's speak about the heating system. The heating system, as you can see, central heating system. It is very good. As you can see, our apartment location is very good location in Kaşusta region. It is so close to supermarket, A101, Şok supermarket, to mosque and to government hospital. These are within walking distance of this project. By car, 10 minutes to airport, 10 minutes central of the Trabzon. It is very nice place really. Thank you so much for watching us. See you another time for another video. All the best for you.